नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today topic is acid group part 3. In previous slides we discussed about symptom of acid, anger, isolation, apathy, exhaustion, etc. Today we discuss generality symptom. Location affect is mainly right side. Temperature is mainly medicine. Mostly medicine is cold, chilly. Physics is thin and fair. Some other common feature of acids are their increased sexual appetite and the problem resulting from that. The main thing is in acids are weakness. In all the acids, weakness are prominent symptom and increased sexual appetite and mostly problem resulting from that, anxiety and irritability, which is more marked in mineral acids than acids derived from plant sources, hypersensitiveness, especially to noise, dullness and sluggishness as we discussed in previous, with difficulty in comprehending, forgetful, which is again more marked in mineral acids. Memory is so weak in the acids, indisposition to talk and desire to remain silent, the aversion to talk. On the physical plane, the acids show following common characters: extreme prostration with aversion to do and physical or mental work. As we previously discussed, weakness and prostration is extremely level of acids. So due to this prostration, he averts to work mentally and physically. Second, paralytic condition, especially with spinal irritation, irritation of mucous membranes leading to varied complaints. Fourth is stitching pains with sense of constriction. Pain character are stitching, gangrenous and ulcerative conditions in marked in acids. Next is hoarseness and inflammatory condition of lungs, hemorrhagic tendency. All acids tend to check hemorrhage. The discharges are usually thin, dark and foul smelling. Gouty conditions with inflammation of synovial membranes. In the acids, gouty condition present and inflammation present in synovial membrane. Discharges are usually thin, dark and offensive smelling. Anemic conditions present in acids, dryness of mucous membrane in spite of profuse mucus discharge, increased sexual desire. All complaints are usually psychotic or tubercular in nature. In the acids, all complaints are relative to psychotic and tubercular miasm. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.